Have you ever been completely immersed in the gritty, neon-soaked streets of Night City, only for a crucial piece of daylight to just vanish into thin air? It's incredibly frustrating when Vajani or some random street vendor starts silently mouthing words completely breaking your immersion. Don't worry, you're not alone in experiencing the silent treatment from Cyberpunk, and today we're going to explore why this happens and, more importantly, how to get those voices back. This voice audio vanishing act is a surprisingly common, yet infuriating, bond that many players have encountered in Cyberpunk. It completely pulls you out of the experience when important story beats or even just ambient chatter go missing. Often this issue can stem from a variety of sources, ranging from simple in-game settings getting toggled to more complex problems with corrupted game files or even your system's audio configuration. It's like the game just decided to hit the mute button on those vocal cords, leaving you to guess what's being said. Before diving into anything too complicated, let's start with the basics. First, double-check your in-game audio settings. Sometimes the dialogue volume slider might have accidentally been set to 0 or a different audio output selected. Also, confirm that your Windows default audio device is set correctly to your headphones or speakers, and not some random monitor output. A quick game restart or even a full system reboot can often clear up temporary audio glitches, so always give the tray first. If the simple checks didn't work, we might need to dig a little deeper into your system. Outdated or corrupt audio drivers are a notorious culprit for all sorts of sound issues, not just in Cyberpunk. Head over to your audio card manufacturer's website and grab the latest drivers. A fresh install can work wonders. Additionally, game file integrity issues can cause specific assets, like voice lanes, to go missing. Verify the game files through your platform, Steam, God, or Epic Games Launcher to repair any corrupted data. Sometimes Cyberpunk has its own unique quirks. When it comes to sound, many players have found success by trying specific Windows audio settings like disabling spatial sound enhancements or changing the audio quality to a different sample rate. For some, running the game as an administrator or temporarily switching to a different default audio output device and then switching back can force the game to reinitialize its sound engine. Keep experimenting with these deeper settings until you find the failsafe solution that brings the vibrant voices of Night City back to life.